Hey everybody, over here in our Romana Drive project. So I just want to show you what we have going on here on our stairwell. We finished up the treads yesterday and today we're working on the shiplap. So we have our 7-inch shiplap with our nickel gap exposure. Tied in our stringers here. So we got our stringers, our shiplap's going to die into that, and you can see here we put a trim board which we use as like a corner board so that when you look from the living room towards the stairwell you're only going to see this 3/4 reveal. And I'll show you from this side, once we paint it the same color of the wall, it's going to look like you're looking at a sheetrock wall. So let me show you that. Okay, so here's the detail I was talking about. When you see the trim board from this profile, basically it just blends in with the wall, especially when it's painted. And then when you come from this side, you're looking from the living room towards the staircase, your eye is only picking up that 3/4 inch reveal. You'll notice a lot of our reveals are low profile. We're trying to keep a more of a modern look to this staircase, mixing in a little bit of traditional details, hence the stringer and the shiplap. And one of the nice details we got going on here as well is we're wrapping the oak treads around the front and side of the step, which is giving it a really neat appearance. Once we get the handrails going, we're going to be doing white oak handrails, square edge with black dowels that are going to be mounted vertically.